Hi ladies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Abby, aka Ladies Take Notes, and today I am back with another video. We're gonna be taking notes on how to style colorful coats. Now I live in Calgary, Canada, where the snow has already started, and since we have winter for such a long time in the year, I love making my coats my statement pieces, and that means color. I love bringing color into winter clothing because sometimes it does seem dull, and a lot of women I know have a lot of difficulty with this, and so I'd like to share a few tips and tricks on where I get my coats, whether or not they're warm, and how to style the color. Let's get into the video. Before we go anywhere, ladies, I want you to pause this video, click that like button and that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're always the first to know when I upload a video every Friday at 1 p.m. Now we can get into the video. So today we're going to be styling 6 colorful coats, and I made sure to pick a wide array of textures, of colors, of patterns, just so you guys can get a real idea of the principles in the styling here. The great thing to know about when it comes to styling coats that are colorful is that you can be completely and utterly lazy in what you wear inside, because it's cold, sis. It's the coat that matters, am I right? So you'll see a lot of these outfits are going to be on the neutral side, very simple, and that's the goal. In the winter we don't want to stress too much. We're probably going to throw on some black or something along those lines, so we may as well style the coat to be the statement piece, and that's my absolute favorite thing to do. So we're going to be starting off with, I guess, a coat that you could wear right now in fall season, and you can layer up as it gets closer to winter. And that is this lovely orange trench coat that I got from H&M. This guy has been with me for a couple years now, and it complements my skin tone so well. So ladies with my melanin skin complexion, you're starting to see what colors will complement and emphasize your melanin in all the best ways possible. I decided to go simple again with the basics. I paired it with a white cable knit sweater, and then I added some blue jeans, and then I just finished it off with some brown booties. By the way, everything will be linked down in the description bar. If I cannot find it, or if it's old and it's sold out, I will find something similar, I promise. If I can't find something similar, I'm sorry, y'all. Next up, we have what has to be my bougiest coat out of the entire collection, and that is this gorgeous plush fluffy faux fur red coat. I got this beautiful lady from House of CB. She's been with me for a couple years. House of CB makes some of the best faux fur coats I've ever tried in my entire life, and so I love this guy. And when I unboxed her a couple years ago, I asked you guys to name her, and someone picked the blood of my enemies, and I was like, that's a lot. But then again, she is a lot. I didn't name her that. But she is powerful. She is sultry. She commands attention. She is everything Ladies Take Notes is all about. And so with her, what I find is that because she's so warm, I actually tone down the layering. I usually just pop on like a thin bodysuit turtleneck to protect my neck, and usually that's more than enough. I was actually wearing this up in the mountains in Kananaskis a couple weeks ago, and that's all I had on for the top layer, and I was hot, let me tell you. So this is definitely a warm coat. I would 100% approve of it. I'm looking forward to seeing if House of CB brings out any more faux fur coats this year. Fingers crossed, because I want to buy some more. But she is amazing. So you can never go wrong with an all black outfit when you have a pop of red or a statement color, and that's exactly what I did with this coat. I went with my black turtleneck bodysuit, and then I just put on some black thermal legging, and then my black thigh-high boots. That way I'm adding more layers and I'm staying nice and warm while also keeping everything nice and stylized. To add a little bit more color, I added this beautiful blue scarf that was gifted to me by my sister and my little niece. Thank you guys. And so it is so warm and plush and beautiful. So nice. I don't usually wear scarves in winter. They be flapping all over the place. I don't like scarves very much, but this guy I have been wearing quite a lot, and I will be wearing a lot more throughout winter, so it's a vibe. What do you guys think of this outfit? Is it everything I'm describing it to be for this coat, or do you think it's like, nah, it's not doing much for me? Comment down below, I'd love to know. So the next coat I have lined up for you guys is one of my most worn coats. She is super warm and she has the most beautiful feminine color, and that is this beautiful pink coat. I call it like a unicorn pink. It's so cute. You guys have no idea. And it is so warm too. I got this from Misguided. Funny story, I saw this, it was like 160 Canadian dollars. I was like, listen, I don't know what I gotta do, but I need this coat in my life, you feel me? And so I saw it, I bought it. I was like, listen, I can't live without this coat, and I have worn it for years and I absolutely love it. The annoying thing is that a couple days later I saw it go on sale for like half off with Misguided. You know how they always have 50% off sales? Like, yeah, like the next day it was $60. I was like, so do I like return it and buy it again and get my money back, or? But that's a side story. I love this coat so much because you can either go all black, all white, super neutral. You have more than a few options to pair this one with because it's such a beautiful pastel. In this case, I decided to go with this lovely lilac fluffy sweater that's gonna keep me super warm, and so I have nothing to worry about when it comes to layers in this outfit. And then I decided to pair it with some black wide leg pants. I love wide leg pants for winter because you can wear leggings underneath and stay warm. It's a beautiful hack. And then I followed through with my black booties with the wooden heel. I love this jacket. You can go tons of ways with this jacket, and especially since pastels are really in this year, it's a great idea to pick up a pastel colored coat. I'm gunning for some more pastel colors, like some light blues to add to my collection. I'm super excited about it. This coat is one of my favorites, hands down. I love it. Okay, next up. So the next coat I have for you guys has to be my coolest coat in my collection. It's not something I would usually gravitate to. Before I bought this coat, I hated anything snake print. Anything. I never really used to do animal print in general. It was like, it's not for me, it's not my style, I don't want it. But then I saw this coat and I was like, I might have to change my mind. And this guy comes in such an unusual color because it's green and it has that snake print vibe and it's faux leather. It's everything. This coat, it gives me like Matrix vibes. I feel so cool when I wear this coat. I'm nerding out thinking about how cool this coat is right now. But anyways, with this one, I kept it pretty simple. I went with this black turtleneck sweater. I followed through with some black jeans and green thigh-high boots. Let me tell y'all, when I'm in this coat, you can't tell me nothing. Like, you can't tell me nothing. Please don't bother, because I'm not listening. And when you add the green thigh-high boots, sister, it adds a little bit more kabam into it, because you have the green coat and you're like, no, that wasn't enough, let's add a little bit more green. And you know what, we're not mad at it. It's everything. I love this color combination. Whenever I grab the coat, I grab the boots. They go together. They go together. Anything less and I feel like the outfit's not complete. Y'all can tell how excited I am. I'm sweating. The lights are hot and I'm getting excited too. I need to cool off. This outfit it makes you look like you tried even though you really didn't. You put on all black and you put on some boots, period, done, finish. But at the same time, who is going to tell you that you didn't try? The eyes are not deceiving them. Listen, let me not talk so much. Y'all can just admire the outfit, okay? Okay, I'm being stupid. I'll stop. So the next coat is another beautiful color, and when I tell you guys it is my warmest coat out of my entire collection, I'm not playing games. Like, when I wear this jacket, I only wear it with a tank because anything else will not be sweating, even outside in Calgary in -30-degree weather. I'm serious. and that is this beautiful sage coat. Whenever I wear this coat, people look at me like, are you wearing a robe? Like, what's going on? And I can tell it's a very relaxed coat, and I still love it all the same, but the nice thing is that it comes with this cool little belt, and when you tie it up together, it looks boss, okay? And so as usual, we're going for the boss vibe, all right? I took this simple well-made tank bodysuit from Buttercream Clothing. They're a local Calgary brand. Shop local, support small business. And I paired it with these white wide-legged pants from Naked Wardrobe. These guys are so long. I really need to get them hemmed. I just keep forgetting every time. So whenever I wear these pants, I usually wear them with some astronomically high-heeled booties, and it really doesn't matter because the booties are going to be covered anyway, so it doesn't matter what I pick. So I just picked these black ones from Just Fab. They have a nice thick platform as well as the high heels. I think they're about 6 inches or 6.5. That's a lot for little old me. I'm only like 5'4". But yeah, you put it together and you're pairing your softer colors with more of the white as opposed to like darkening it with black. I found that that looks a little bit better. And you're tying in a little bit more of the dark greens when you wear it with a belt. I love this. It's a very chic way of being chilled out, and I'm here for it. I don't need to say any more about this outfit. It's lit. Next. So for our final coat, it is a more of a neutral color, but the pattern is what makes it pop. It's this beautiful, I don't know whether it's a leopard print or a cheetah print, but it's one of those animals prints. But it's hella cute, and it is way warmer than it looks. Like, you have no idea. I'd be walking and sweating in this guy, so I also have to turn it down, keep it light. I got this coat from ASOS, and I kept it really simple with this one because it is the star of the show whenever I wear it. I just paired it with this really pretty sweater dress from Fashion Nova, and we spiced it up with some over-the-knee lace-up boots. It just gives a little bit more height, and it's a really cute outfit. It's super simple, but it's really elevated by the coat, and it's another banger. Alright guys, those are all 6 of my colored coats that I have to show you guys, and these coats can be styled in so many ways. I just picked 6 different outfits to show you 6 different coats. We don't want to be here all day, you feel me? I hope you liked it. Please let me know which one was your favorite outfit. Comment down below, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your friends if you care, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're the first to know whenever I upload a video every Friday at 1 p.m. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week, same time. Bye.